Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to introduce you to a new range of products from Ecor Pro. The machine incorporates an hour counter, so we can see exactly how many hours it's run for. The machine also incorporates a watts meter, so we can see the power it's consuming as it operates. This is an incredibly robust machine. It is specifically designed for the disaster recovery industry. This is stainless steel, wipe clean, non-corrosive. These handles are robust, strong. They can take a bit of punishment. They can take some knocks, and they protect the flanges of the machine, which is most important. The machine sits on wheels, so it's easy to transport around. And more importantly, it incorporates docking station so that other Ecor Pro machines can rest on there, and it makes the technician's life that much easier to be able to wheel this around. This machine has been designed for the restoration market, but it can work in any other application because the plug can be interchangeable for a UK or European spec plug. The socket simply connects and is secured physically, so it can't be accidentally pulled out. The machine is infinitely controllable because we can plug in a humidistat into it. Now, this is either a mechanical humidistat connected via a wire, or it can be remote, operating on the Wi-Fi network. The operation of the humidistat is really straightforward. We download an app to our phone, we pair with our phone, and then we can control the parameters of the machine using the sensor. If we wish to, we can slide the sensor out and we can take that away and plug that into another area, and the jack plug is plugged into the side, and we can add an extension into this. So we can control this machine from anywhere within that building using our phone.